your sister, if she come here.
This thing again. The old hot display case with no label. It's working okay for right now. But it's developed a tendency to randomly stop working for a couple of days and start working again. So inside of this box is a rat's nest of wires. A digital controller right there, a little timer board there, and a whole ton of wires. So we just gotta, rip all this crap out of here basically. Just unhook it all. Thermostat, a power switch, a high limit, and none of that other garbage. I didn't need any of this garbage. This was all extra. Looks good. Oh yeah.